In this video, I'll show you how to know the battery percentage remaining into your AirPods 4. This works with those with ANC and those without. So the first thing we need to do is to go over here on our phone. And by the way, this is there are multiple ways on how to do this. First of all, you can install one of these widgets, which is quite cool. So you'll be able to know the battery percentage of your AirPods and also of the case. If you don't know how to do this, simply press anywhere on your home screen, then press Edit, Add Widget. From here, tap on Search Widget and type Battery. See batteries here, tap on it. And then you can find any of these widgets that you prefer. You can even have with their name beside it. Choose one of them simply by clicking Add Widgets once you found the one you like. And then place it. And then you just have to place it anywhere on your screen, just like an app. And this is it. Another way on how to know how much is left is to go into the settings of your iPhone. So this is the first page of the settings. Close the case, open the lid. You should see them appearing on one of the top options here. Click. And then on top, you're going to have the battery percentage of the case and also of the AirPods themselves. That's another way. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. By the way, if you have a Mac, you simply need to go on the top right corner where you have the Bluetooth icon. Click, and then you should see your AirPods with beside the battery left. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.